7 Daily Habits of Self-Made Millionaires 2022 Thousandaire Club. How does being a millionaire makes you feel? I am pretty sure it will be an awesome feeling. You having all the money you have ever imagined in your possession with the willpower to purchase what you have always dreamed of, and the visit places that you have fantasized about. Let me stop here for now. Let's face reality. In this video, we shall take a look at how to make this dream of you becoming a millionaire come true, especially this new year 2022 as you make new aspirations, goals, and ambition. We shall especially view some daily habits that can make you a self-made millionaire in no distance time. If you must be a millionaire, then you must master all the practices and guidelines that will take you to the destination of this millionaire's journey. But before we dive right into this video, please ensure that you like it, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed whenever a new video is uploaded. Becoming a millionaire is the wildest dream of so many people, including you. This is because it offers you that life of limitless possibilities. Being a millionaire empowers you to do more than you can imagine. But attaining this dream isn't easy. If it was, then everyone would be a millionaire at the blink of an eye. Millionaire has made certain sacrifices and trained themselves to adapt to certain styles of life so that they could make it in life and become really successful. Is this something you can do too? Of course, you should be willing to do them unless you are no longer interested in becoming a millionaire. These are the 7 daily habits of self-made millionaires needed for 2022. Establish an automated retirement savings system that yields much interest. Ensure that you have a structure on the ground that pays you passively in your absence. By this I mean you could have a brokerage account or RIA with your future at heart, in a way that you put in some cash on monthly basis that it becomes habitual. You could start this investment habit with as little as $20 to $50 and increase it as your finance grows. Set goals and review them on monthly basis. One very unique way to grow into a millionaire is by setting financial goals for yourself. One useful suggestion is by multiplying your annual expenses by 25. This pushes you and gives you a target to work with on a monthly scale in terms of the income you should generate. Refuse to be indebted. When you live a debt-free life, you can easily accumulate wealth for the sake of investment and achieving a life of financial freedom. You are not thinking of how to repay one huge capital that you borrowed, but rather you are thinking of investing this huge capital in an investment that yields good interest and results. High savings rate. Cultivate a saving habit with little amount monthly and gradually increase it to a substantial amount. You will be amazed at what you will arrive at. Finally, you arrive at a rate that you will be able to use to get a reasonable asset. Saving is a very effective way of amassing wealth, and once you are able to cultivate this habit, you will grow into wealth in abundance. 12-week goals and habit reviewing strategy. Have a goal broken down into actionable tasks that you can take every week and achieve every 3 months. It helps you to get a lot done in the shortest possible time. To ensure maximum results, you are expected to change your bad habits and adopt new habits that can take you to a new level. Habits that have positive energy. Maintaining good habits in the simplest things in life must not be overemphasized or underrated because they can grow into making you highly disciplined and helpful when you want to start making your first millions. Focus on net worth. As humans, there is so much emphasis on our cars, flashy houses, our income, and many more instead of placing values on building a robust net worth for ourselves. These tangible things entice you, whereas they are highly irrelevant and of little use. You should always do the little mathematics of subtracting your asset from your expenses and valuables, then whatever is left happens to be your net worth. Live on a lot less than you make. When you start making money, there is the possibility of being tempted to spend a lot of cash, being enticed with the flashy things of life, and wanted to belong to certain social classes and status, which get you trapped in the habit of acquiring the only expensive thing. The truth is that all these will get you bankrupt very fast, but you must go against this philosophy if you must be a millionaire and stay a millionaire. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed each time a new video is uploaded. Please, you can also leave a comment. Thank you for watching.